Hi, I'm here with Kelly Davis, and Kelly is the Director of Camcorder Product Marketing at Sony Electronics. Kelly, one thing we were just seeing with our cameras is this face detection technology, but I understand that's one of the technologies that's also in our camcorder lineup.
Absolutely. This year we are debuting face detection technology for video inside of our camcorder. So we've leveraged the technology from our still camera business and brought it over to video to make it more fun and easier to use.
So how many camcorders is that featured in?
We have 6 models that have face detection technology in them in the 2008 lineup, ranging from standard definition and high definition models.
So it works just the same as in a still camera?
It works very similar. So it detects up to 8 faces,
right,
and it automatically controls exposure and focus, and it works for video and for stills. So the way it's different is it's also working for video.
I see.
Yeah.
Now, are there other technologies that cross over between cameras and camcorders?
There are some technologies, things like high megapixels. So, for example, we have our world's first 10 megapixel camcorder.
Yes.
You're able to capture 10 megapixel photos like you could for a DSC and high quality video all in one device. So that's shared. Some of our internal also processing engines are shared.
Yes.
We have things called Beyond's processing engine, which allows for faster response time.
Yes.
It was born from our Alpha digital SLR system, and we brought it to CyberShot, and now we're bringing it over to camcorders.
Is this a first?
It's a first for camcorders. It's really what's helping us create things like face detection.
Oh, I see. Okay, so that's one of the benefits.
Helping us power that, yeah.
Yeah. So I know most of the camcorders were actually introduced just a short while ago at CES.
Yes.
And the big news there was this notion of hybrid. What's that all about?
Absolutely. Well, we announced 16 new models at CES. We have a lot of models and a lot of different formats for customers to choose from. We had talked about hybrid, and we have a hybrid model and a hybrid plus, or hybrid and hybrid plus models. So hybrid means you can record to 2 different media. Kind of when you think of hybrid, you think of cars or things, right?
Yeah.
So you can record to 2 things. You can record to the main media, which could be like a hard drive,
right,
or to the memory stick, because they're all memory stick compatible.
Okay.
And then for hybrid plus, you can record up to 3 media. So you can record up to DVD, to memory stick, and the models have an embedded 8 gigabytes of internal memory. And the key for that is really the customers who are looking for longer recording time never have to worry about running out of places to record. So
for example, with that internal memory, how much video in minutes would that store?
It can hold up to 2 hours.
That much?
Yeah,
wow,
a lot
that's
of
fabulous.
time.
Yeah, terrific. And now how about high definition? We see a lot of focus around Sony's campaign of HDNA, and obviously that extends to camcorders.
Absolutely. We have 6 new high-definition models this year that we just announced. We have anything ranging from DVD to hard drive to flash models. And certainly what's new for us this year for camcorders in high definition is we're recording full 1920 by 1080 resolution.
I see.
It's a really strong story, and video quality is certainly #1 story there.
Is high def one of the drivers of consumers in camcorders?
Absolutely.
These days?
It's definitely becoming a stronger driver. As customers become more familiar with high-definition televisions, they're looking for things that go with their televisions, like high-definition camcorders. So absolutely, it's causing higher consumer interest, and also looking for that better picture quality when they're sharing it on their TV.
Okay, so we have hybrid camcorders, we have high-definition camcorders.
Yes.
Now what about the internet? I noticed something in one of the other displays, the net sharing cam.
Right. We do have one model called a net sharing cam, and that model basically allows you to record short segments of video that are low resolution and easily upload them to the internet. So places like YouTube or those places where you're sharing videos, it's compressed video that easily uploads with 3 steps.
So it'd be good for something like what we're doing right now, where we're putting videos up on the blog.
Absolutely. For blogging, for any type of video sharing site, it's a great resource.
I see. And now, again, we just wrapped up another year, and or we're about to fiscal-wise, but we just wrapped up the calendar year, and I see our camcorder business, we still have strong #1 market position.
Absolutely. The Handycam camcorder products have been strong #1 share for several years, and we continue that momentum going forward, hopefully in 2008 as well.
Well, congratulations on that.
Thank you. Thanks, Rick.
You're welcome.